Y'all, I love my hair. I love my hair because listen.
I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chip running through the.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show y'all my hair. I love it. I love the color. I've never done anything like this, and I know it has like the dark roots and all that stuff, and I love it. It's so new for me. It is April, so it's springtime. I'm so excited about this hair, the color, the length, everything is so new for me. I'm a new mom. I just wanted to be I guess like vibrant and not look like I don't get sleep at night, you know what I'm saying? Everything that I do is most likely going to be on a budget or inexpensive, and I just try to make it as best as possible. And I think that this looks great, y'all. Like, some people think that it's my hair. It's not. The texture is kind of like a light yaki texture. I bought this hair at the beauty supply store, and it was $19.99, and it was I think 16, 18, and 20 inches, and I just cut it. And y'all, like, look at this. Like, even just look at the color. The color looks so pretty. It looks so pretty, and the roots are dark. It is a sew-in. What I did do, which may have also minimized the shedding, was I folded the wefts. I didn't cut anything. So let me show y'all the pack of hair that I have. Okay. The hair is by Zury. Yeah, it's Zury First. And it comes with, this one is 16, 18, and 20 inches. And let's see, this is the Ombre 27-30, and it comes with the 3 bundles and a closure. It is heat proof, 350 degrees to 400 degrees, and it says you're able to curl it. I personally haven't like tried curling it. I've just kind of, sometimes I'll like bump the ends a little bit, but that's about it. So let me show y'all. Yeah, and it was $19.99. So got a steal. So this is what the closure looks like, and it does have like the little like fabric right here. I mean, I've seen some like legit silk based closures, and I mean, this is nah, it's $19.99. So, but you know what, I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so here we go. So the closure, here's the fabric, and even here you can kind of see how the tracks were laid. Now if you want to pluck your part, you gotta be really careful. See how that is right there, and you see how you can see the tracks that are laid. So you really have to be careful, because see, you can see the tracks right there. But I mean, like, if you take it out of the light, of course you can't see those tracks. So originally that is how the part looked. You really have to be careful because you can easily overpluck this. Like, look at this. It's actually quite nice. I mean, for $20, it honestly, I think it's really good, like, hair, you know. And of course it's not like human hair, but it's, listen, people think this is my hair, and even I mean, it looks and feels like it could be my hair. So, and it has that texture, you know. It's a little texture, a little, you know. So this is the 20 inch. So that's how the wefts look. So it is like, you know, a little thinner. I mean, it's not like a large like bundle or whatever, but that's how the weft looks. Okay, hold on, y'all. So basically, this hair is pretty dope for $20. So girl, go ahead and get you a pack. Thank y'all for watching my channel. Please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe if you have not. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well. And hopefully I see y'all soon in my next video. Thank you. Have a blessed day.